Welcome to my channel Gosia at Home Cooking. Today I'm gonna show you how to make very delicate and delicious no-bake cheesecake with fresh strawberry. I just picked fresh strawberry today, so I'm so excited to show you this excellent recipe. And let's get cooking. For today cheesecake with strawberry, I need white cheese, strawberry, whipped cream, powdered sugar, strawberry, gelatin, unfold jello, lemon, crackers. You can use cookies, whatever you prefer. I choose the graham crackers. For today cheesecake with strawberry, I use the circle form. So on the bottom of my baking pan, I'll put crackers. You can see this very simple recipe. You feel like to make simple dessert. It's a great idea and you impress everyone at home with this recipe. The crackers go on the bottom. Okay, this part is done. Next step, half a cup of boiling water and 2 no flavor gelatin. Okay, and next step, the half a strawberry I will cut in small pieces, and the rest of the strawberry I just cut in half. Strawberry looks so beautiful. Strawberry season just started. Best idea for spring dessert. Okay, the strawberry cut I put on the side. Next step, I'll make the whipped cream. I need 208 ounces. Mix everything. And you can see the whipped cream is not too thick. This is the consistency I'm looking for. Next step, white cheese. I have 2 pounds of white cheese, half a lemon, powdered sugar, and now I will combine everything. The white cheese is very soft. This is homemade white cheese. You can see the cheese looks beautiful. It's nice and smooth. Perfect. Now I'm adding gelatin very slowly. Okay, these ingredients are combined beautiful. Now I'm adding whipped cream. And now I will combine everything very gently. And it's done. Look at this consistency. Looks beautiful, very nice and smooth. Perfect. Let me try. Excellent. Next step, I'm adding strawberry. And very gently combine with cheese. You can see the cheese is so creamy, beautiful. With the fresh strawberry. Next step, the creamy cheese is going on the top of crackers. And next step, I will put in a fridge for 1 hour. I keep creamy cheese in the fridge for 1 hour. Now I will decorate with strawberry. The last step, I will make jello. I have strawberry jello. Large pack is 6 ounces, 170 grams. This is very quick recipe. I use 1 cup of boiling water. When all sugar is dissolved, I will put ice. Now I'm adding ice. This is the quickest way to make jello. The jello thickened, so now I'm pouring to my cake. Delicious cheesecake with strawberry and jello is done, and I will put in the fridge for a few hours. Cheesecake with strawberry is done. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this recipe, please comment, like and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new video. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure you check them out and see you soon on my next episode. Dziękuję bardzo, smacznego. Bye bye.